So it begins. This is the teacher.
Oh God, look at me, a mess.
Here we go. Ah, now you're perfect. So I asked my mum, oh, let's make patties this weekend. And she took it upon herself to do all the prep, which I appreciate. But I want to be a part of the process.
She can be a part of the process next time.
Anyway, we continue. Okay, go explain.
Yeah, so square the pastry up.
Squared it.
Yes. Yeah, turn it around again.
Turn it.
Make sure there's always flour underneath because that will stop it sticking.
Okay. How far do I roll it till it's nice and thin?
No, roll it up enough because you're gonna. I'll show you what to do when you finish. You're gonna put all those butter you have left hanging about in it.
Okay. Put the butter. Put the butter. Okay. Oh, you can see the butter bits. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, more flour will make it better. It doesn't matter, don't be sparing because it will just stick to the table.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you can press stop. Next stage.
Put the butter on. Take the butter off. Just dump them all over the pastry. You can use your hand, it's easier.
It's two, huh? Professional butter dropper. What about the lard?
Put them all on. Because all of them meant to be in it.
The lard pizza. Okay, you can press stop now and we'll go on to the next stage. The filling is going to be minced beef patties. Oh no, lamb patties. Lamb patties. Go ahead, go for it.
And you've got carrots diced finely, onions, peppers, and spring onions, garlic. I think that's all we got in there. Yeah.
Fantastic. On to the next stage. We've added all our ingredients in, seasoned it, and now we're just cooking it off. And this obviously will be the filling for the patties. On to the next step. So now, as you can see, we've made our pastry. We're now going to put that in the fridge for most of the day. You can leave it overnight, you can, but I want to make it tonight. So 30 minutes, or you can leave it overnight. I think the longer you leave it, the more flaky it becomes. Is that correct? So, but we'll leave it until the evening, and then we'll make the patties then. As you can see, we've got the filling cooking off. Smells luscious. So yeah, on to the next stage. Now, as you can see, we've rolled out the pastry. We've left it in the freezer all day. Sorry, not the freezer, the fridge all day. Now we've so we took out the pastry from the fridge. It was in there all day, and we've cut half off, rolled it out, cut out the shapes, and now we're just putting the filling in. So it's just a typical lamb patty, and and now we are in the process of making these. Yes. So yes, on to the next step.